In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Google Docs for a word. Whether you're working on a lengthy document or you simply need to find a particular piece of information quickly, knowing how to efficiently search for a specific word can save you invaluable time and hassle. Let's dive right into how you can do this step by step. First, you need to access Google Drive. This is where all your Google Docs files are stored. To get there, start by signing into your Google account. Go to the Google Drive homepage, enter your email address and then your password. Don't worry if you don't remember your password right off the bat. There's a handy forgot password link you can use to reset it. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be ready for the next step. Now it's time to find the document you want to work with. Your Google Drive might be brimming with files, so take your time to navigate through your folders or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the document you need. Once you've located the right file, go ahead and open it. This brings us to our document ready for editing. With your document open, the next step is to actually begin the search. Look for the edit option in the menu bar. It's usually located towards the top of your screen. Clicking on edit will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these, you'll find the find and replace feature, which is your golden ticket to searching within a document. Click on find and replace to bring up the search dialog box. This box is pretty straightforward. There's a field where you can type in the exact word or phrase you're searching for within the document. Once you've entered the word, hit the enter key on your keyboard or click on the find button. If the word exists in your document, Google Docs will highlight all occurrences, allowing you to easily locate the information you're looking for. If you're working on a particularly lengthy document, this feature is a real time saver, as it allows you to jump directly to the parts that need your attention without having to scroll through pages of text. And that's pretty much it. You now know the ins and outs of searching for a specific word in Google Docs. This simple yet powerful feature is ideal for refining your documents, conducting quick research, or simply finding a needle in a haystack. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use the find and replace function, the quicker you'll become at navigating through your documents and making the necessary edits. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Remember, the goal is to work smarter, not harder. By mastering simple functions like search in Google Docs, you'll be well on your way to becoming more efficient in your work or studies. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.